Hi, we are here at the NXP partner wall, and I'd like to show you some Toradex demos here. So one here with our partner Qt group, and we show here a Qt UI running on an i.MX 9.5, so that's our EVK, which we ship in volume. So if you like to get one of these, get in touch with us, and we can get you can get your hands on. So that's with Qt. And then here the same dev kit with the i.MX 9.5 Verdin EVK, but here with our partner Crank, showing a very nice UI.
All right.
And then I like to show here, that's with the i.MX 8M Plus. This is with our partner Ozone. And this is a camera, MAIVIN, similar than what we have on our booth, but it adds a radar module. So, and it uses a neural network accelerator from the i.MX 8M Plus to fusion the camera, the RGB camera, and the radar. So you get more perceptive. So that can be very interesting for things like construction machine, agriculture, and autonomous vehicles.
All right. So how's it been working with NXP on this new generation?
Very good. So we are a platinum partner from NXP. So we got early access to the i.MX 9.5. And we are now basically the only one who shipped this board in volume, and we provided to some of our partner boards ahead of Embedded World so they can prepare the demos, and directly after Embedded World we will begin to ship this in volume.
Because for many years you've been working with the NXP, right? So been doing successful, stable solutions for a long time.
Yeah, so we have almost all our lineup is with NXP. And what they do is really aligns with that. They're very focused on reliability, on security, long-term availability, so that fits very well with what our customer needs.